quick tip, make sure you check out the description box down below. Why did the turmeric go to the party? Because he wanted to spice things up. Hey guys, how are you? Did you know that in traditional medicine, they used to treat inflammation-caused fractures and bone breakages by using a mix of turmeric and eggs? Yes, that's right. We're gonna delve into the world of turmeric and also eggs, so stay with us until the end. Let's go! Turmeric has been used for 4,000 years to treat various conditions. Studies indicate that turmeric may help fight infections and some cancers, reduce inflammation, and treat digestive issues, though much of the research has been conducted in test tubes in animals with uncertain effects in humans. Turmeric is commonly used in cooking, providing Indian curries flavor and yellow color, and is also found in mustard, butter, and cheese. In Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, it has been used as an anti-inflammatory and to treat digestive, liver, skin problems, and wounds. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, which can damage cells, tamper with DNA, and cause cell death. Additionally, curcumin reduces levels of two enzymes that cause inflammation and prevents platelets from forming blood clots. Some of the common benefits of turmeric are: Number 1. Lower your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. Research suggests that curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, may help protect against several steps in the heart disease process. Specifically, curcumin improves the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of blood vessels. Endothelia dysfunction, a major contributor to heart disease, occurs when the endothelium fails to regulate blood pressure, blood clotting, and other factors. Number 2. Help prevent cancer. Curcumin supplements appear to positively impact various forms of cancer. Research has identified curcumin as a beneficial herb in cancer treatment, affecting cancer growth and development. Studies have shown that curcumin can contribute to death of cancerous cells and reduce angiogenesis, the growth of new blood vessels in tumors, reduce metastasis, the spread of cancer. Number 3. Has benefits against depression. Curcumin, found in turmeric, may help improve mood disorders. It boosts brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, reduces inflammation, and supports brain health. These effects suggest it could be an effective antidepressant. Curcumin also increases BDNF levels, which may reverse changes linked to depression. Although animal studies show promise in reducing anxiety, more research on humans is needed for confirmation. Number 4. Arthritis. There are several types of arthritis, most of which involve joint inflammation. In a study on people with osteoarthritis, curcumin was found to be more effective at relieving pain than a placebo, and its effects were similar to those of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Another study on rheumatoid arthritis indicated that curcumin helped reduce disease-related inflammation. However, more research is needed to determine if curcumin can effectively replace such drugs in treating arthritis-related inflammation and pain. Now that we have talked about arthritis, let's see what eggs and turmeric can do to reduce inflammation and why. Eggs. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a natural source of vitamin D, making them a convenient and accessible way to incorporate this essential nutrient into your diet. Including eggs in your diet can help ensure you're getting enough vitamin D to support your immune function and potentially reduce inflammation in the body. Turmeric. Turmeric is famous for its ability to control inflammation and pain, as well as its effectiveness against upper respiratory infections. This spice contains compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds work to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help alleviate pain and discomfort. Additionally, the antioxidants in turmeric help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting cells from damage and supporting overall health. By harnessing these beneficial properties, turmeric offers a natural and holistic approach to managing inflammation, pain, and certain respiratory conditions. For using the mixture, combine egg yolk with some turmeric. Place this compound on the affected area for one night until morning, and put a piece of band or fabric on it. You will see the results soon. Thank you for joining us as we explore the fascinating world of turmeric and its health benefits. From its ancient roots in Ayurvedic medicine to its modern-day applications in managing inflammation and pain, turmeric continues to captivate with its powerful properties. Whether you're seeking relief from arthritis, boosting your immune system, or simply spicing up your culinary creations, turmeric offers a natural and versatile solution. Remember to incorporate this golden spice into your daily routine and harness its potential for a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and until next time, take care and stay well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the end screen of the video as well. So, until the next video, goodbye!